Most tutorials skip this one step. I show how to remove boilerplate and get a working completion in minutes. You'll use Python and a small wrapper to send prompts, handle streaming, and parse responses. I explain each line so you can plug it into your projects. This will save you time and help you avoid common API mistakes. Stay with me and you'll build a clean, testable client in under 5 minutes.
Most tutorials skip this one step. Start by getting your environment right. Install Python 3, 8 or newer because recent SDKs need it. Create a virtual environment to avoid dependency conflicts and activate it. Install the client with pip install Anthropic to get the official library and its helpers. Obtain an API key from your Anthropic account and set it as an environment variable. For example, export Anthropic API KEY equals your key. No basic HTTP requests or async programming to follow examples. Source, https://docs, Anthropic.com. Most tutorials skip this one step. Start by importing the Anthropic client so you can call the API. Next, create a client with your API key. This ties requests to your account. Then build a prompt string that combines system and user instructions so the model knows context. Call client, completions. Create with model, prompt, max tokens, and temperature to generate text. Await the response and read response. Completion to get the model output. Always catch errors and respect rate limits. The API uses prompt/response parameters and supports streaming source, https://docs, Anthropic.com. But there's a catch most people miss.
Claude Fable 5 is a fast, capable model in Anthropic's family, built for coding, reasoning, and creative tasks. Anthropic models focus on helpful answers and safety controls. They give streaming output, structured response formats, and developer settings so you can shape behavior. Use clear system messages, short prompts, and testing to make smarter, safer apps. The next thing to explore after this is prompt engineering and production testing so you can tune responses and guardrails for real users. Source, https://